Hello, I'm back again. I wanted to update you on my progress so far. So I did the Tamiya light blue on the nacelles. She turned out better than I thought. See, Tamiya light blue. I did the Tamiya light metallic blue on the dual impulse reactors for the NCC Excelsior. And I did the Tamiya gunmetal on those side grills that go underneath the nacelle pylon attachment. And also, taking the spare room for a minute, I will show you that I have clamped together the nacelle pylon assembly. Now, I wasn't sure which direction it went, but then I realized something. I realized that if you align the nacelles towards the back, you will see one slot with two slots beside it, and the box art confirms that. Kind of see it there. You can see it there, it's just hidden by the clamps. So we've got the nacelles the right way around. Just going to keep them in my container full of clothespins and clamps for now. And I have, of course, marked off the guide as to what I've done. But I realize that I'm going to need to mark the hatches with my mixture. My NCC Excelsior mixture that I mixed up last night. I'm going to need to use for the hatches because even the Aztec decals don't have hatch covers aligned. So that's about all for now. And of course I'm going to hand paint the impulse crystal first with Folk Art medium blue, and then once it's dry I will mask it off and paint the white dot in the center. So when I'm done spray painting, I will come back and show you my progress. Be right back. Okay. While I wait for the metallic silver to heat up, I'm just doing what Lou Del Mesa would do. I'm painting all the detail colors first, like for instance this is going to be the silver. Painting that first. Painting the silver first. And then of course tomorrow I will mask off just the silver parts. And I will leave available the rest of the hull so that I can put on the light pearl, the light white pearl. Anyway, it's about time to go spraying, so I'm going to go spray and I'll be back. Alright, thanks for waiting. I'm back again. So now you can see the results of the metallic silver on the ship. Now every part of the ship has been masked off, of course. Every part of it has been masked off, except the parts that you wanted to be silver. So basically around here, this whole triangle section. And of course the center dome. But of course you see the very center of the dome? I'm going to make that white. Of course. But that is about all I can do today. Let me just take a look at the instructions for a minute. Okay, I'm back. No, that is about all I can do because the bottom hull is just primered today. But I realized that with the detail in the center dome, paint the white in the center, leave the spokes silver, of course. But those inner rings could be champagne gold and an ice metallic blue in between the spokes, just for a bit of pearl effect. And that's basically all I do for that. I don't think there's anything more to do on the ship. The top is going to have to wait till tomorrow. But remember, I'm only doing the top for the NCC bridge, so there's the silver, which I will do by hand around that part of the center bridge. Those impulse globes have been painted transparent blue already. You don't have to do anything in the shuttle bay because of the decals. The medium blue around the nacelle edges should be taken care of with the Aztec decals. The deep blue here should also be taken care of with Aztec decals. I'll check for sure. Anything else along the bottom? The cargo bay can be light gray. That'll be tomorrow. So probably royal light gray. The torpedo launcher, I'm going to make it haze gray, TS81. And I might even try my blue on that nacelle fin. But that's about it. That's about all. Everything else should be taken care of with the by the ship itself. So that's good. And that's about all for now. So I'll come back probably tomorrow when I've done more work on the ship. Talk to you then, and have a good day.